Hello, everyone. Today I'll show you how to activate dark mode in the WhatsApp app. Let's do it. Now open the app and click on the top three dots on the right. Then in the pop-up window, click the settings section. Then click on the chat section as you can see at the top of the theme option output. Click on the theme section and we have the options. If your phone has dark mode, the default system setting option will appear. If the dark mode feature of your phone is active when you select this option, your WhatsApp application will also open in dark mode. But if dark mode is not active in your phone, WhatsApp will open in light mode. In the other options below, you can choose a manual theme setting. Thanks for watching me. Don't forget to subscribe on my channel. If you want me to make videos like this, please like the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my design channel as well. I'll see you in the next video.